executive of Team Waray from Tacloban. So, I'm so happy today kasi na-recognize ako as a new executive. So, since joining New Skin, madami nang nagbago sa life ko. And especially on my on personality development part kasi dati sobrang mahiyain ako now. Yun, nagsasalita na ako in front of the camera. So madami talagang experiences na naranasan ko sa New Skin, and I thank my mentor for that. So yung mga key values lang is we should be consistent in our conviction na magstay sa New Skin and mindset na kaya natin to.
Hi, I'm Aiza. I'm the new executive from Team Waray from Tacloban. Why did I join New Skin? Maraming nagtatanong eh. Yung lagi ko na sinasagot sa kanila, I really saw the opportunity. I saw I was really up to the challenge. Pero, hindi ako mapupunta kung saan ako ngayon kung wala sa tulong ng mga mentor ko. Ni Fedora, Ruby, Marlon, and Pen. I was really thankful sa guidance nila. Nagawa ko naman kasi lahat to sa tulong nila eh. Kung wala yun, kung hindi ko sinunod yung mga sinasabi nila, wala. They taught me a lot of stuff. They taught me to dream and aim it. Because here in the business, in New Skin, nothing is impossible.
Action!
So, very rewarding to be Ruby finally. So, totoo yung sinasabi nila, to be a Ruby, parang it's not that easy, pero it's very doable. So, when we hit Ruby just recently, parang dugo, pawis at luha. It really takes a lot of effort, saka shifting of mindset. Kagaya ng sinabi ng mentor natin na si Marlon, it's all about the mindset. What differs good leaders to great leaders is just the mindset. So, because of that, because of the experience that we had here in New Skin, sobrang nag-change yung perspective ko. Even my own limiting beliefs, na-break siya. So, that's why, kung kaya namin maging Ruby, how much more Blue Diamond from Team Tacloban. So, kayang-kaya yan. Totoong Ruby.
Hi! At last, Ruby na kami. So, when I joined kasi New Skin, sabi nila, "Oy, ikaw, Ruby ka na. So, dapat pangatawanan mo talagang maging Ruby." Sabi ko, oo nga, Ruby ako since girls. So, dapat yun talaga yung pinaka-short-term goal namin, to become Ruby. So yun, so it's really a very challenging process kung bakit naging Ruby, kung ano na kami sa kinalalagyan namin ngayon. So hindi siya naging ganun kadali, pero with the proper applying support naman ni Marlon and Pen, and yung belief ng partners namin sa amin, so yun, kaya siya naging ganun. So this, I would like to give credit sa appliance namin, particularly kina Marlon and Pen, tsaka din sa partners namin. If not without them, then hindi kami nasa position ngayon ng Ruby. So it's really all about our partners and about our vision na kumbaga hindi lang ito sa Team Tacloban, but we will spread the Team Waray power sa buong Philippines. And outside. So yun. So marami nang nagbago since I joined New Skin. So grabe yung transformation, lalo na sa part ng leadership. So kung nung una medyo alats, so ngayon medyo nagle-level up na talaga siya. So I really strive hard daily na improve yung leadership mindset. Then especially yung stability ng mindset namin kasi di ba we're doing it here in the province. So medyo maraming diversions, maraming distractions. Tsaka wala kaming office, so kami lang parang gumagawa lahat. So yun, so mas challenging siya, pero still, the positive side of it is that this is a blue ocean na opportunity for New Skin sa Team Waray. So yun, so wala namang secret talaga, so hard work lang talaga. And it's all about numbers game. So actually, almost a year ko lang siya na-realize na it's just all about numbers lang talaga. So yun, so sabi nga ni Feds, kung kaya namin, kaya nyo rin. So yun, so hindi po siya imposible. So posible pong magkaroon ng Blue Diamonds kahit sa province.
Yes.
Go Team Waray!